Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can easily rename all of your files in one click. Open a folder with files that you want to rename, and to rename all of your files, on your keyboard click Ctrl A. And if you just want to rename selected files, click and hold Ctrl on your keyboard and select files that you want to rename. Then right click on one of the selected files and rename it. And click Enter. That's how easily and quickly you can rename all of your files in one click. Thank you for watching.